Hey guys, Captain Keith here with you today, along with Captain Nick. Today we're here at the MarineMax store in our service yard, and we actually have a boat ramp here. And we've been asked to kind of go over some boat ramp etiquette. So before you head to the boat ramp and you're loading up your boat at the house, make sure the engine starts, make sure that everything's going to work when you get to the ramp. Get there, make sure your drain plug is put in, have the lines ready to go. If you're a tandem, a husband and wife team working on this, I would put probably the wife in the boat so the husband can back the truck or trailer down into the water, she can fire it up, back off, and pull out away from the ramp. No sense backing into the water and then going and tying up along the side while the other person goes and parks the truck, parks the trailer, and you're sitting there taking up space at the ramp where somebody else could be launching. So get the boat in the water, pull away from the dock, let the other person go park, come back, you can pull up to a finger pier, pick them up and go. And vice versa, when you're coming home, do the same thing. So if you're pulling back into the slip and somebody's tied up along the side and you don't have access to it, then you've just got to sit out there and wait till it opens up. But if you drop off your significant other or your buddy, it could be anywhere at the boat ramp, any finger pier, any dock, whatever, pull up, dock them, dock up, let them jump off. They'll go retrieve the truck and trailer, back in. You don't even have to be along the side of a finger pier jutting out. If it's wide enough, they can back that trailer right down the middle, and all you have to do is just drive right up, get it between the bunks, hook up, and they pull you out and you just ride out with the trailer. So just practice it, try to keep things simple, and it's going to be an easier, more enjoyable day on the water.
And hey, you guys have all seen the videos on YouTube of the guy or girl that backs up and it takes them 20 tries, they're jackknifing
exactly.
each and every way. Practice. Find a field somewhere, find a parking lot, set up some cones just like when you were 14, 15 years old learning to drive.
Yep.
And just having that confidence. One, you're not going to get stressed out at the ramp. Two, you're not going to take up too much time. Don't yell at your wife, don't yell at your husband. I promise you, a lot of marriages have been ruined at the boat ramp. It does not need to be that way. So be smart, be confident. A little bit of practice goes a long way, and you're out on the water.
See you guys, hope this helps.